What's up mga kaling? Ito nga po pala ang Cyberlink tutorial. Ngayon po ay tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumamit ng JavaScript. Nagandaan na rin po ako ng 12 questions. Tsaka po, nag-ready na rin po ako ng 30 guidelines. Ayan po. Kung makikita nyo po, ayan. Papakita ko na lang po sa inyo mamaya. Okay. Let's go mga kaling. Simulan na natin ang tutorial. At saka nga po pala guys, nag-ready na rin po pala ako ng gagamitin natin tungkol do sa JavaScript. Ito po siya. Yan po yung mga yan. Ipapakita ko na lang po sa inyo mamaya para saan po yung mga yan. Okay, let's go. What is JavaScript? Ito po yung meaning ng JavaScript. JavaScript is a programming language for the web. JavaScript can calculate and manipulate and validate. Yan po yung ibig sabihin ng JavaScript. Para saan po siya? Second question is, what is the real name of JavaScript? The real name of JavaScript is LiveScript, the first in beta release of Netscape Navigator 2.0 in September 1995. But it was renamed JavaScript when it was developed in Netscape Navigator 2.0 Beta 3 in December. Ito po yung pangalan niya dati, LiveScript. Tapos nirename lang po siya, ginawa po siyang JavaScript. Ano po, nirename po siya ng Netscape Navigator 2.0 Beta 3 noong December. Third question is, list of advantage of JavaScript. Ito naman po yung mga advantage ng JavaScript: speed, simplicity, popularity, server load, rich interface, extended functionality, versatility, updates. Yung speed naman po, client speed JavaScript is very fast because it was be run immediately within the client browser unless outside resources are required. JavaScript is unhindered by network calls to be a backend server. It has no need to be complied on the client side, which is gives to certain speed advantage. Yan po yung advantage ng JavaScript sa speed po. Tapos yung simplicity naman po, JavaScript is a reliability, simple to learn and implement. Yan po yun. Yung popularity naman po, JavaScript is used everywhere in the web. The resources to learn JavaScript are numerous. Stack Overflow and GitHub have many projects that are using JavaScript in the language as well as a lot of transaction in industry in recent years especially. Yan po. Ito naman pong JavaScript plays nicely within other language and can be used in huge variety of application. Unlike PHP or SSI script, JavaScript can inserted into any web page regardless of the file extension. Yung server load naman po, being client side, reduce the demand of the website server. Rich interface, drag and drop components or slider may give a rich interface to your website. Extended functionality, third party add-ons like Grease Monkey enable JavaScript developers to write snippet of JavaScript which can execute or desired web page to extend its functionality. Versatility naman po, nowadays there are many ways to use JavaScript.Node.js server. If you were to bootstrap nodes with Express, use the document database like this po. Yan. And use either JavaScript app and use JavaScript on the front end for client. It was possible to develop an entire JavaScript app from front to back using only JavaScript. Updates naman po, since the advantage of ECMAScript 5, the scripting specification that JavaScript relies on. EMA International has dedicated to updating JavaScript annually. So far, we have received browser support for ES6 in 2017 and look forward to ES7 being supported in the future months. Yan po yung mga advantage ng JavaScript. Yung fourth question naman po, list of the disadvantage of JavaScript. Ito naman po yung mga list ng disadvantage ng JavaScript. Client security, because the code execute on the user computer. In some cases, it can be exploited on malicious purpose. This is one of reasons some people choose to disable JavaScript. Browser support. JavaScript is sometimes interrupted differently by different browser, where server-side script will always produce the same output. Client-side script can be a little unpredictable. Don't be overly concerned by this thought. As long as you test your script in all the major browser, you should be safe. Also, there are service out of there that will allow to test your code automatically on check in of an update to make sure all browsers. Ito naman po yung mga gumawa po ako ng mga codes kung saan po mga ginagamit yung define function anonymous. Ito po siya, gumawa po ako. Doc type HTML. Ito naman po yun sa mga codings ng JavaScript. Ayan po, JavaScript function. Ayan po. Tapos irarun po natin siya. Ito po yung lumalabas. Ayan po. Kung anong yung nakalagay po dun sa yung sushi works in the sushi shop where the sushi shit yan po yung nakalagay. Tapos pag nirun mo po siya, ito po yung lalabas kung ano po yung nakalagay doon. Tapos yung ano naman po, 6th question, in JavaScript, what is the argument object? Ito naman po siya. Ito po yung codes nya. Ayan po. Nilagay ko po yung mga numbers. Nilagay ko pong sentence ay finding the largest number. Tapos pag nirun mo po siya, ito po yung lalabas, finding the large number. Tapos lalabas po yung 6. So yung nakalagay po dun sa niya, ito po, finding the large number. Ayan po, 6. Tapos ito naman po yung number 7 na question, define closure. Ito naman po siya, yung mga codes nya. Nag-ready po talaga ako ng mga codes para sa inyo, para makita nyo rin po kung paano siya ginagamit at kung saan po nilalagay. Ayan po, define closure. A function can access variables defined inside the function. Ayan po, pag nirun mo po siya, ito naman po yung lalabas. Ayan po, kasi kiklik mo lang po siya, tapos lalabas po yung 16. Dito naman po yun, may button po akong nilagay. Ito po yung button na yun. Ayan po. Tapos yung ano naman po, how to write hello world example of JavaScript. Naglagay din po ako nyan. Ito po yung code nyan. Tapos pag niran mo po siya, ayan po yung lalabas, hello world. Tapos yung pang 8 question po, ay yung pang 9 question, how to write comment in JavaScript. Naglagay din po ako ng mga codes nya. Ito po yun, yung heading ng changing heading. Ito po yun, JavaScript comment. Tapos change paragraph, ito po yun, may first paragraph. Ayan po. Tapos pag niran mo po siya, ito po yung lalabas, JavaScript comments, may first paragraph. Ayan po. Tapos yung pang 10 po na question, how to write HTML code dynamically using JavaScript. Ito po siya. Ito po yan. Use JavaScript to change text. This example writes hello JavaScript into ano po, to HTML elements. Po. Pag niran mo po naman po siya, ito po yun. Ayan po yung dynamically JavaScript. Ito yung lalabas. Pang 11 po na tanong, how to create an array JavaScript. Ito naman po siya. Yan po, JavaScript array. Ito po yung nilalagay ko po yung Glen publico 20 antipolo, tapos edit. Yan po yung mga codes nya, demo po. Tapos pag niran mo naman po siya, ito po, yan po yung lalabas. Last question, what is the difference between undefined value and non-value? Ito po yun. Undefined means a variable has been declared but was not yet been assigned a value. On the other hand, null is an assignment value. It can be assigned to a variable as representation of no value. Also, undefined and null are two distinct types. Undefined is a type of itself, undefined, while none is an object. So mga kaling, sana nagustuhan nyo ang aking tutorial. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Bye bye mga kaling. Peace!